Hey YouTube, this is Real World Natural Living. I'm Kevin, and if you've been following along with the channel, you'd know that one of the things we're trying to do is grow as much food as we can on our urban lot here. We really like to know where our food comes from. We think it's really cool, so we're trying to grow as much as we can. For us, we're kind of running out of garden space for now in the yard, so the way we're going to expand is we're going to use these 5-gallon buckets here. And the 5-gallon buckets are really good if you have a small apartment with a balcony, or you have a small yard where you just don't have enough room for a garden, or you're trying to expand your garden the way we are and you don't have enough room for that. So if you're looking to start a garden, it's definitely not too late here in Manitoba to start this way. If you don't have a room, you can definitely use the buckets. So I hope you'll like the video, subscribe to the channel. I've got the buckets, I've got dirt in the front yard, so I'm going to take you now and we'll get started. So one of the things you're going to need for your 5-gallon pail to get it ready is a drill. I've got a 5/16 drill bit here, and we're going to drill some holes in the bottom here just for drainage. When you're doing things like potatoes especially, you don't want the water building up down there. They'll just rot. And you want good drainage so you don't get root rot for your other plants as well. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So I've got my bucket, I've got my broccoli that I started from seed in the house. You don't have to start from seed in the house. You can go to your local nursery and pick up something that they've already started. This one has been hardened off, which means that it's been slowly introduced to the outside a couple hours a day, and then increasing that. And last night they actually spent the night overnight outside, so these are ready to go. I'm doing broccoli. You can do all kinds of different things, tomatoes, lettuce, you can pretty much take your pick. So potatoes are a little different though, so you would have to look into the potatoes if you're doing those, but they are possible too in here. So first thing I'm going to do here is just add some water just to get that moistened up a little bit. Not too much to start, just to get that to soak in there good, and then I'll show you how we're going to plant it. So that's it, my broccoli's planted. I only have about 24 more pails to do. I'm doing broccoli and tomatoes, but you can easily do this. You get a bucket from the hardware store, or sometimes from restaurants or friends, you can get them for free. And then you can also get your dirt from the local hardware store or nursery for anywhere from $3 to $10. A bag will do for this. And then you can go to a nursery and get a plant that's already started if you want, or you can start from seed. That's it. There's still time to plant your garden. So I hope you get growing because it's super awesome, even if you're doing 1 or 2. It's super cool. That's the video. I just wanted to show you quick on how easy it is. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and most important, take care of yourself.